Welcome to where we bring you the best home decor inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into simple yet impactful tips to create an elegant home that exudes style and comfort. Whether you're revamping your space or starting fresh, these ideas will transform your home into a haven of sophistication. 1. Declutter and simplify. The first step to an elegant home is simplicity. Start by decluttering and organizing your space. Clear surfaces and minimize unnecessary items. Opt for smart storage solutions to keep everything tidy. Remember, less is more when it comes to creating a refined aesthetic. 2. Neutral color palettes. A neutral color palette sets the tone for elegance. Choose soft hues like beige, white, gray, or taupe for walls and furniture. These colors create a calm and timeless atmosphere. Add depth with subtle accents like metallics, rich woods, or pops of muted jewel tones. 3. Layered textures. Elevate your home's look by incorporating layered textures. Mix materials like soft throws, plush rugs, linen curtains, and velvet cushions. These elements add dimension and warmth, making your space feel inviting yet luxurious. 4. Statement furniture pieces. Invest in a few statement furniture pieces that reflect your personal style. A classic armchair, a sleek console table, or a stylish coffee table can anchor your space. Choose pieces with clean lines and high-quality finishes for a polished look. Five. Thoughtful lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Chandeliers, table lamps, and wall sconces add elegance and charm. Don't forget to use dimmers to create a cozy ambience. 6. Art and decor accents. Incorporate artwork and decor that speak to your taste. A well-placed piece of art, a sculptural vase, or a decorative mirror can elevate your space instantly. Arrange items in groups of 3 or 5 for a balanced and harmonious look. 7. Fresh greenery and florals. Bring life into your home with fresh greenery or floral arrangements. Choose elegant planters or vases that complement your decor. A touch of nature adds vibrancy and freshness, balancing the overall design. 8. Pay attention to details. Elegance is often in the details. Replace outdated hardware with sleek knobs and handles. Opt for cohesive finishes like brass or matte black. Small touches like decorative trays or chic candle holders can make a big difference. By following these simple tips, you can create a home that feels elegant and timeless. Remember, elegance isn't about spending a fortune, it's about thoughtful design and attention to detail. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.